What's up, guys? Just installed the new front lip on the Civic Si Coupe. Fits beautifully. This is the Bayson R Motorsports TR lip for the 10th Gen Civic. And the install was super easy. Basically, they give you 10 self-tapping screws. Show you right here. So 2 of them go here, 2 on the other side in the same spot, and then there's 6. I think there's 1 here, 1 here, 1 here, 1 here, 1 here, and here. Basically, you just screw right up into the existing bumper there. Super easy, no drilling required. I just used a drill with a Phillips head bit on it, and yeah, it looks beautiful. So this was a pretty easy install for one person. What I did was basically, so this centerpiece here slides right over the existing bumper piece, so it's kind of like a piece on top and a piece on bottom. It slides right on like that. And what I did was, I'll get under the car and show you. I started out with this first center one right here. So I put that in. Basically, you can't really mess this up because centering wise, it fits right into these grooves perfectly, here and here. So I mean, you really can't mess up the centering on this. And so what I did was I put that first one in just to kind of hold the middle up. Then I went to each side. So I did these 2, well, actually I only did 1. I did the top, or the bottom one first. Put that one in, went around to the other side, did the same thing, and basically it's already, it's fit perfectly. And then you basically just go around. I went from like this side, then over to that side on the same bolt, or I'm sorry, the same screw. Basically just went back and forth until you're back in the middle again. I think Bayson R Motorsports sells this for about 120 bucks, and I'd say definitely well worth it. Super nice fitment, no complaints. Absolutely love it. Not even painted. This is the actual color it comes with. I guess a lot of people are painting them to match their paint color, but I don't know. It's close enough to me where I don't think I'm even gonna paint it. Can't really tell if you're standing back like here. So yeah, definitely recommend. 10 out of 10. So if you guys have any questions about how to install this or any problems you run into, just leave a comment and I'll try to help you out as best as I can. Like I said, this was super easy, so I can't really imagine what problems you might run into, but I did this install in about 15 minutes just by myself. And yeah, if you want more videos like this about anything Honda Civic Si related, just let me know in the comments, subscribe, and try and pump out some more videos for you.